Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a special episode with Chef Gina. Today we are at her kitchen learning how to make Filipino dessert, Turon.
Yeah,
So
you got it right.
first step is wash the bananas and cut and peel them. Now we finished doing that. What's the next step?
No, wash the banana and then peel before you cut.
We gotta wash the banana before we cut and peel. So now we've done that. What's next?
Oh, my god.
Mabuhay Pares, everybody. Today we are at Ate Chef Gina's kitchen, but she's too shy, so she's behind the camera filming. But today, we will teach you how to make Turon. Look at this. Wow, galing-galing ah. Sobre masarap talaga. So, this is very simple. First step, find the bananas and wash them. See, wash bananas. It's in the thing we showed just now. Next step, peel them. And then cut them. Once you've done that, you roll the cut down bananas, roll it around in brown sugar. Once you've done that, you put it in the wrap and you wrap it. The secret to wrapping is making sure you roll it up tightly. So guys, now we're wrapping the turon. You got the bananas and you gotta roll it around in sugar. Just like that. You put it in the wrap right here. Diagonally 45 degrees, perpendicular. And the secret here is all about wrapping it as tight as you can. So make sure the sugar doesn't come out. Like this and like that. And wrap it tightly. Boom. And just like that, it's done. Boom. And now we wrap the rest. After that, heat up the pan, put some oil, but you gotta make sure it's in low heat so that we do not burn the wrap. And then you put the wrapped turon into the frying pan. Make sure not to crowd your pan. This way it gives a lot of space, a lot of room for your turon to really soak in that oil and make it extra tasty. So, when do you think it's time to take the turon out? Good question. When you see it turning brownish golden, that's when it's a sign to flip it. When both sides are turning golden brown with the smell of sugar, that's when you take it out. Once you've done all that, enjoy and eat. So now, me and Ate Chef Gina are gonna eat some ice cream with our turon. See you back next time at Chef Gina's kitchen. Michael out.
Okay.
Wait, we gotta look at the camera. You ready? Hi, turn off the water. Okay, are you ready? Alright, you guys look at the camera and smile.
This is
What?
on the record. I'm talking about